Welcome to the class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about motion. Motion is the change in the position of an object with respect to its surrounding. Everything in the universe is in motion. Let us see about rest and motion. In physics, the objects which do not change their position are said to be at rest, while those which change their position are said to be in motion. Types of motion. In physics, motion can be classified as below, that is, linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, random motion, uniform and non-uniform motion. Let us see one by one. Linear motion. Motion along a straight line is known as linear motion. Circular motion. Motion along a circular path is known as circular motion. Repeat to and fro motion of an object at regular interval of time is known as oscillatory motion. Random motion. Motion of the object which does not follow any order is known as random motion. Uniform motion. Travel equal distance in equal interval of time is known as uniform motion. Example: running car, running train. Non-uniform motion. Travel unequal distance in equal interval of time is known as non-uniform motion. Example: motion of a free falling body. Distance and displacement. What do you mean distance? Length of actual path traveled by an object is known as distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement. Shortest length between initial and final position of an object is known as displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. Next, we are going to see speed, velocity, acceleration definitions. The rate of change of position is known as speed. The rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Let us recall today's class. Today we learned definitions of rest, motion and its types, distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. Thank you, students.